This video explains how to manage documents on eformsign, and it consists of two parts: managing documents in the All Documents page, and managing documents in the Manage Documents page. To manage all documents you have access to, click All Documents in the sidebar, or All Documents in the dashboard. The All Documents page will be displayed. This page allows users to view and perform actions on all the documents they have access to. You can filter the type of document: in progress, action required, and completed. You can also filter documents by template name and keyword. On the right, you can see the status of the selected document and its history. At the top right corner of the page, you can refresh the page, choose the columns you want to be displayed, and download the documents you want as PDF, CSV, or both. To manage all documents as a document owner or a document manager, click Manage Documents in the sidebar. The Manage Documents page will be displayed. This page allows users to view and perform actions on all the documents they own or have management permission. Same as in the All Documents page. You can filter the type of document, view document status and history, and perform various other actions.